Bonjour.
Alright, we're going on a tour of the workshop today. Let's go.
For the vlog! Tori, we need a stabilizer. Look at how bad this is when I'm walking. We need a stabilizer, Tori! Okay, where are we at right now?
We are at the outer sanctum. Back here in the east is the generator.
Generator's over there.
Needs a bit of a wash.
Just a bit. Into the dungeon.
So some of my family told me that my last vlog didn't quite measure up.
Why do we need this stabilizer, Micro?
I don't know. I think I'm doing just fine as a camera person. You're right, we don't need a stabilizer.
Yeah. Tori said that if I can spend an amount of money equivalent to the number of subscribers I get, capped at a max of 200.
How many subscribers do you have right now?
I have 17. $17 doesn't really buy you a stabilizer. So,
No, or a GoPro.
So consider subscribing, please.
So for the good of the quality of the videos, please subscribe. We promise it'll get better.
We hope.
You're right, no promises. Alright, show us around.
Alright.
Okay, so what's over here?
We have a lot of stuff.
Okay, explain what this was before. Because when I first saw this place, it was rat infested and dusty and not like this at all.
Alright, so I will chuck up, I think I have some photos of what it was like before. 7 years ago, it used to be a beautiful truck shop, mainly for mechanical kind of stuff, and then that guy left. And then all the mess, I don't know, there was a bunch of different things, nuts and bolts, everything. It just went crazy.
Trash, rotting cardboard.
There was rats everywhere. I caught 3 in one night on this one little sticky pad thing. It's pretty good. And yeah, so over the past, it's been almost a year now, been cleaning this up.
Thanks to the Dodgy Brothers, we have all sorts of tools. We've got drills, sanders, lights, we've got all sorts of bolts, all sorts of nails, screws. My favorite tool is the impact driver. Never used one before I came here, and it is amazing for any concrete work, or if you're putting in big flag screws or something like that. I love it. Mentioned earlier, we've got a table saw. We've got a radial arm saw.
Oh, I put this table saw together.
That's why it nearly killed me the other day.
I'm not arguing with that.
Yeah. We've got another table saw. We've got a band saw which needs some work. and it hasn't been set up yet, but we'll get there. We'll get there. And then we've got the rat den.
I don't want to go in there.
Oh, it does not smell good.
Isn't that where one jumped out at you?
Yeah.
Ew.
The safety area as you walk in, you got your glasses, your mosquito repellent, and that stuff. Then you have your joiner.
Your what?
It's a joiner
What's that?
for making joints.
As you can see, we've got all sorts of tools here. We've got ladders, we've got saws, we've got squares, we've got levels, all sorts of tools.
Well, come over here, we've got the Ryobi section. So you see, pretty much everything we have is Ryobi because they also make really good camping fans, and so just keep the batteries the same. Works out pretty well. If you can think of a way or something you'd like to see that would take the vlog to the next level, let me know. Whoa, stop.
What?
Stop. Hammer time.
Got him.
Yeah.
The Haitian word for nail is clou, which is appropriate because most Americans think that I don't have a clue. You like my chiseled jaw?
It's just funny because Joseph's in the background just glaring disdainfully. What did you and Dan do when he was here?
Well,
You guys were down here a lot.
yeah, we built stuff.
What'd you build?
A table for one of the kids that left our programs. She's living in the community now. Here is a photo of Tori and Micah sitting on that table.
Down in the corner.
Nah,
You gotta do the
full
full
screen.
thing. Oh. Be careful. Joseph, what is that? Okay. Joseph, what do you get if you work? No, not running. You get a Coke. No, if you work. Si tu travailles. Mais ou pas travail, cognat.
How did I rope you into this, helping me with the vlog, Micah?
You promised me fame and glory with our 17 subscribers.
17.
Got your welder.
Got any good puns with that one?
Nope. Another quality Dodgy Brother product. I think Nathan
Perfect.
will become a Dodgy Brother too, your brother. So,
Maybe. Don't let him know that right now. Don't
Yeah.
put this in the video.
alright,
Don't want to stroke his ego.
yeah. He needs to be taken down a few pegs. Alright, that's enough talking for now. It's time to get back to the grind. I saw that one coming.
Awkward Australian in Haiti.
I just feel so much pressure.
Okay. That's funny.
Yep.
I don't mean to rain on your parade, but it's time to go. Like and subscribe.
Comedy gold right here.